Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and again, I'm still in Las Vegas. I don't want to leave Las Vegas because I see great products, and I got another great product here. Look at this Keko product on this Ford Maverick. As you know, the Maverick is selling like hotcakes, and Keko, in their wisdom, is coming out with lots of new products for this. What do we got here? Well, take a look here. This is like, I don't know if it's a roll bar, but man, it is everything. It looks really good. I tell you, great looking truck, great looking accessory. And it's got a cover here. So let me swing around. Michelle, you want to go ahead and open this up so we show you how it works here. Again, look how nice this is. It does have a support underneath here as well here. And this lets you have the best of both worlds. You can roll it up nice and easy. And I tell you, we don't need to go all the way up here, but let's go ahead and it's right there. You can see there's a support system right here. And I tell you, that's nice because if you got a lot of rain, this will keep it from sagging. So if you're up north, you have snow, this helps with snow. So this is gonna help in all the weather conditions here. If you notice, everything is black in here, and it just looks a little nicer. I know a lot of times they do silver and black, but I like it all black. I think it's more cleaner looking. Again, this is such a, good, Michelle, go ahead and close it up for us. So, and I tell you, I like Mavericks, and I think this is a great product here. And I tell you, we've been doing a lot of Keko products, and they're really growing fast. I'm very lucky. I was one of the guys in the beginning that Keko gave me the privilege of selling their products, and having a really good time selling it. And most important, my customers love their products. Take a really good look on this. If you like this, I can get it for you. You can come to my store in Margate, Florida. We can ship it to you, so you can either walk in there, we put it all on for you, or we ship it anywhere in the country. My last order we sent to Hawaii, so as you can see, we can go anywhere. Again, I'm Chris. I'm at the Keko booth in the Las Vegas show at the SEMA show, and I'm with C&H Auto Accessories. And before I forget, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.